Good morning, students. Today I am here to tell you about the uses of the indefinite article. First, the indefinite article is used. The indefinite article is used in its original numerical sense of one. As all of you know, indefinite article is a or n, so it will give us it means one. Like 12 inches make a foot. Not a word was said. A word to the wise is sufficient. Second, in the way sense of certain, like one evening a beggar came to my door. In the sense of any, two, single and individual as a representative of class, means when that thing or person is representing the whole class. Like a pupil should obey his teacher, not only one pupil, the whole class. A cow is a useful animal. To make a common noun of a proper noun, means at that time we do not say that it is a proper noun, it will work as a common noun there. Like a Daniel came to judgment. Daniel here means a wise man. We are not talking about the Daniel, particular Daniel. We are talking about a wise man. Wise man come to a judgment. Now omission of the article. The article is omitted before names of substances and abstract noun. Before the name of substances and abstract noun, that is used in a general sense. Like sugar is bad for your teeth, gold is a precious metal, wisdom is a gift of heaven, honesty is the best policy, virtue is its own reward. Uncountable nouns take the when it is used in a particular sense. Like would you pass me the sugar, means the sugar which is kept on the table. The wisdom of Solomon is great. Now second rule, before plural countable noun, again used in a general sense. Like children like chocolates. Computers are used in many offices. But if we are using it in a particular meaning, then we use the, like where are the children. The children means here he is talking about our children. Before most proper noun, namely name of people like Gopal Rahim, name of continents and countries like Europe, Pakistan, Nagpur, name of individual mountains like Mount Everest, individual islands, lakes, hills, etc. Fourth, before the names of meals used in a general sense, like what time do you have lunch, dinner is ready. We use a when there is an adjective before breakfast, lunch or dinner. Like I had a late lunch today. Before any language, like we are studying English, they speak Punjabi at home. Before school, college, university, church, bed, hospital, prison, etc. When these places are visited for use for the primary purpose. Like I learned French at school. We go to church on Sundays. He stays in bed till 9 every morning. My uncle is still in hospital. The is used with these words when we refer to them as definite place, building or object rather than to normal activity that goes on there. ये जब उनके the school is very near my home. I met him at the church. Before the names of relation like father, mother and so on. Like father has returned, aunt wants you to see her. Before predicative noun denoting a unique position, like position normally held at one time one person. He was elected chairman of the board. Mr. Banerjee became principal of the college in 1995. In certain phrases consisting of transitive verb, means which have object by its object. To catch fire, to take breath, to give battle, to cast anchor, to send word and so on. Last but not the least, in certain phrases consisting of a preposition like at home, at in hand, in depth, by day, by night, at daybreak, at sunrise, and so on. Thank you.